Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys once again. So uh today we're talking about 3 ways in which you can earn free money on Binance. You can earn free income on Binance without you risking your fund on anything. This is totally a risk-free trade, and also is what I do most times, and I'll be teaching you the 3 ways in which you can earn free money on Binance, but not to make so that I will not make this video a very long video. So I'm going to make sure that I split it into 3 videos. So I'll be talking about the first one in this video, so I'll be talking about the rest in other videos. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now, and also smash the notification button so that you can get notified when a new content is uploaded. So thank you very much. So let me go straight to the point. The first one is Binance Launchpad. And if you're talking about the Binance Launchpad, some will be like, oh, I don't have enough funds to do this Launchpad. I don't have enough funds to stake my money for the new coin. But there are ways to do these things, and that's actually what I do. So I'm going to teach you with a simple way to earn money from Binance Launchpad. So all you need to do, first thing first, is you need to have funds in your account, maybe a USDT, maybe a France currency, or any form of currency. You must have it in your Binance account. So once you have it in your Binance account, then the next thing is that you go ahead to your Launchpad. But in case if you have a coin in your account and you don't want to change that coin to USDT or to BUSD, there is a way. You can go ahead and borrow money from Binance and use that your coin as collateral. So once you make money, you can come back to Binance and return their money back, and you still make your own profit. So let's continue. If you look at the Binance Launchpad, underneath this home page, underneath this slide, you see 4th anniversary. You see some icons, you fire, great trading, margin, Launchpad, savings, and the rest. So click on the Launchpad. So once you get to the Launchpad, you will get to this place. Actually, what the Launchpad is for new tokens, new coins that are meant to be launched on Binance. Do you understand? They're meant to be listed on Binance. So this coin will first of all be listed on the Launchpad, so that everybody can stake their fund and mine the coin. They can stake their fund and earn the coin. Do you understand? Like this particular coin now, this bar, before it was set to the public, it was in this Binance Launchpad, and everyone can put in their funds. Maybe you have $2,000, $3,000, put in your funds, and then you'll be given like 3 days, maybe 4 days, 5 days before this coin be listed on Binance Exchange. So within those period of days, you can actually put in your funds and get some bars from the Binance Launchpad. So when at the time of listing on Binance Exchange, you can just go ahead and claim the bar you have already mined, then sell it at the time in which Binance will list it. Because whenever the Binance lists any coin, the coin is going to pump very well. You understand? And you can decide not to sell it at that point, and you can decide to chill till the end of the farming. But I always advise people that they should sell it at that point, because by the end of the farming, the price of that particular coin will have dropped, and in which you'll not be making enough gains. But if you are able to mine before it is listed, in the first 5 days is listed, and you're able to sell when it is listed, they'll be making enough profit in which it'll be okay for you. So how do you go about it? Make sure you have funds in your Binance. Then actually you don't have any coin on the Launchpad currently. All the coins there, they have closed, so they are finished farming them. So there's nothing to comment currently. But let's assume we have a coin here now. All you need to do is to just go ahead to the coin. You will see BNB pool, BUSD pool. You can see other pool. That BNB pool means they can only use BNB coin to stake. Yeah, the BUSD means you can only use BUSD stable coin to stake. Yeah, so you must have BUSD in your spot wallet, and you must have BNB in your spot wallet. Either of the two you want to use. So once you have anyone you want to use, just click on the one you want to use. Once you click on it, it's going to display this page. Then at the top here, underneath this my font, you will see commit your BNB. So you understand. So if you are using BNB, you click on commit BNB, and if it's all the BNB you have in your account, once you commit, put 100% or max and then comment. So every time it is mining, you see the countdown here anytime. So you see the countdown at the upper part of this page, and you see whenever it is going to be what listed on Binance. So on that day you come and claim your coin, then go ahead and sell it in your your spot trade. So which is a very very simple thing. So if you don't have funds and you want to go about this, all you need to do is go back and borrow funds from the Binance exchange. So but make sure you have a collateral in which you can just go to loan finance, then you see crypto loan. You click on crypto loan, then I want to borrow, you put in the amount you want to borrow, make sure you have a collateral, and then they will tell you the interest and then the amount of days. So if the coin is going to last for 3 days before they list it, so you'll be borrowing for 3 days or 7 days. So okay, at least 7 days. It doesn't pass 7 days, it's always below 7 days. So borrow for 7 days, earn your return, and return their money back, and you still make your profit without losing anything. So this is a risk-free opportunity for you to earn money on Binance. If you don't understand anything on this video, let me know in the comment section below, and is it that would you do the video or upload the other content to explain more about this stuff. So that's all about that. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this particular video so that you can get updates on the new content that is going to be uploaded. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget, if you have any question or you don't understand it, put it in the comment section below. I'm going to reply you. Thank you very much. God bless you all.